So we have a toaster that can toast 4 slices of bread at a time. So you put 4 slices in, you gotta wait for those 4 slices to finish, and then you can put 4 more slices in. So we have a time here for 4 slices, 35 seconds, and 8 slices, 70 seconds. But what's interesting here, it means that if you did just 5 slices, it's still going to be 70 seconds because it's 35 seconds for the first 4 and then another 35 for the fifth. So that means that 6 is going to be 70, 7 is going to be 70, and then when you get to 8, it jumps up again. It's going to be 9 is going to be 105, and then 11 is going to be 105. So the question is, when we get to 20, what is it going to take? Well, we know that this is in groups of 4. So if we have this group right here is 35, this group of 4 is 70, this group of 4 all the way down to 12 is 105, so this is 4 slices, 8 slices, 12 slices. Then we're going to have 16 slices, which is going to be another 35 seconds, which is going to be 140, and that's 16 all the way through 19, sorry, which is going to be 140. And then finally, when you get to 20 and above, it's going to be 175 seconds, and that is your answer.